So we've got a very good order today in the Delhi High Court. Justice Kaurav has been very kind to us. He has agreed to appoint, actually he has agreed to direct the Ministry of External Affairs to appoint a lawyer in Dubai who we had found. It's one of the big, and Celina will tell you more about the firm. It is one of the biggest law firms in Dubai, which is run by a local there and has two Indian partners. They've agreed upon an appointment letter from MEA. They've agreed to represent Vikrant pro bono. Now this is very important because now they can move the necessary applications in his case, and we are very close now there to securing a release for our soldier. We've got a very good order from the Delhi High Court. Justice Kaurav has been very kind to us. He has agreed to direct the MEA to appoint a lawyer we had found in Dubai, one of the biggest law firms in Dubai, run by a local and has two Indian partners. Serena will tell you more about the firm, who has agreed to represent Vikrant pro bono. This is very important because that appointment letter will now enable them to get a power of attorney from Vikrant and initiate a proper defense for Vikrant, and we are very hopeful, especially after the deal that has happened between India and UAE, that we will secure a very quick release for our soldier. So the opposition they had tried to make was that we had already proposed this name to Vikrant. However, at that time we had not got any answer. So I had simply told the court that right now it's a matter of the soldier's rights to liberty. As you know, bail is the rule, and therefore he has been incarcerated for 18 months. We are saying let us file an appropriate application, get him out, and then get him back to the country. And the judge was that was impressed upon the judge, and the judge, like I said, very kindly agreed. As a matter of fact, he has also ordered the order to be dusty, which means they want a copy of it immediately because he knows how urgent it is to get this relief. The Ministry of External Affairs has been directed specifically to appoint Khalid Al-Mari Partners and Advocates as a law firm in Dubai and Abu Dhabi to represent Major Vikrant.
You know, this has been an 18-month-long battle for us, and today, after 18 months, my brother and our country's soldier, a former Special Forces officer of the Para-SF, finally has his dignity given back to him. Justice Kaurav has kindly passed the order for Al-Mari Partners and Advocates, one of the biggest law firms in UAE, to represent Major Vikrant Kumar Jaitly, retired. And my hands are shaking because for me this was the most important thing, for him to have his dignity. We want to bring him back, and I'm sure now things will move in a very positive direction and very fast, and Al-Mari Partners and Advocates and our team here will be able to work together with the Ministry of External Affairs to bring back Major Vikrant at the earliest. And I'm very, very happy. For me, it's a big miracle today. We found the firm, Al-Mari Partners and Advocates. We went and met them in UAE when I went to meet Ambassador of India. And their two Indian partners, they were very, very keen to represent Major Vikrant because they stand for our armed forces, they stand for dignity of a human being, and Khalid Saab also wants very much to represent Major Vikrant, and I am so happy that this will finally move forward, because no human being should go unrepresented for so long, for any reason whatsoever. Everybody has a right, and more so our soldier of our country who's fought for us, who's given his entire youth to the country. He has the right to be represented. He cannot languish in a foreign detention center like this. And I am very sure, given the good relations between India and UAE, and this is also a very good example of great relations, a Emirati firm such as Khalid Saab's Al-Mari Partners and Co. has come on board, because this shows the great relationship between India and UAE. And I'm sure something wonderful will come out of this. Very soon, Major Vikrant Kumar Jaitly will be back.
No, so the submission I was trying to make in court is that right now, since we don't know why he's in, so today we don't even know if they started legal proceedings. So in the event that they have not started legal proceedings, it will be much easier for us to secure his release. Therefore, it is imperative that a law firm is appointed now and not later, because there is a small chance that nothing has been initiated against him. So we should take advantage of that fact and get legal representation at the earliest.